Hello, students. Standard 9. Welcome to the YouTube channel of Monbrisha. Today, I am once again here with Standard 9 Economics chapter number 1, the story of village Palampur. Today, I will give you the introduction of this chapter. The story of village Palampur. Palampur is a hypothetical village, imaginary village. It is not known that whether Palampur is there in the world or not. It is an imaginary hypothetical village where the different conditions of the villagers about occupation, about their way of life is being mentioned over there. In this, through this through the story of this hypothetical village, we will come to know the various problems the villagers face. So, until and unless we can compare anything, we cannot find whether we are in which situation we lie. So, this is a village where people are involved in different types of occupations, where many people are landless laborers, how they sustain their labor, means life, what are the other sources of occupations, what are the different factors of production, how they live their life. These all are there in this chapter. Through this, we can understand. If you are living in a village, you can understand that what type of village in which you live. So, farming is the main activity in this village, Palampur. Farming. And many other several activities are there, like small scale activity, manufacturing, dairy, transportation, small shops have been there. There are various types of resources, natural resources, man made resources, human effort, money, etc. So, as we read through this story of Palampur, we will learn how different resources combine together to produce desired goods and services in the villages. Palampur is well connected with the neighboring villages. There are other villages which are nearby this Palampur village and towns. Means it is well connected with the nearby town also. Raiganj, a big village, is 3 kilometers from Palampur. Raiganj, a big village, is just 3 kilometers away from Palampur. An all weather road means metalled road, pitched road is connects the village to the Raiganj and further on the nearest small town of Sahpur, which is the nearest town to Palampur, Sahpur. Big village near to Palampur, Raiganj. Many kinds of transports are visible on this road, starting from bullock carts, tangas, wooden cart drawn by buffaloes called bogies. They all fill up these tangas, bogies with jaggery. Jaggery, you know? Jaggery means gur. And other commodities to motor vehicles like motorcycles, jeeps, tractors, trucks. These all different types of vehicles also can be seen here in this village to other villages, big village or the nearby town Sahpur. This village has about 450 families belonging to several different castes. Different caste people live there. The 80 upper caste families own the majority of land in the village. See, upper class people have majority of them are having their own lands. They had their lands. And poor people, the lower caste people, they do not have their own land. They used to work on the land of the upper caste. The SCs, that is Dalits, comprise one third of the population and live in one corner of the village. They were not allowed to mix with the common people of the village. They live in the smaller houses, some of which are made up of mud and straw. Most of the village houses have electric connections, means electricity has reached in the village of Palampur, and this electricity has helped a lot to the village of Palampur for irrigation purposes, for tube wells, for motors, and this has used in various types of small businesses. So this is the condition of Palampur. Although there are people who are very poor living over there, but development started in the villages through electricity and other motor vehicles. The description above, so it is said that the description above, whichever I have told you, it shows that the Palampur has fairly well developed system of roads, transport, electricity, irrigation, schools and health centers. Means every development activities, whatever development it is required for a village, all things are available in the village Palampur. So we can say that it is a well settled village. So, if we compare these facilities with those in our nearby villages, we can understand what is the standard of those villages in comparison to the village of Palampur. The story of Palampur, an imaginary village, will take us through the different types of production activities in the village. The different types of production have been involved in this type of in Palampur, which will make us understand that which conditions are required for what type of production, which we will go through in our next classes.